The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is imminent, and whispers of its cutting-edge features and revolutionary advancements are generating immense excitement. As the successor to the esteemed S24 series, the S25 lineup is expected to push the boundaries of smartphone technology. Rumors hint at a rebranded S25 Ultra, potentially reviving the iconic Note series moniker, which would merge the Ultra line's advanced features with the Note series' legacy of productivity and performance. Additionally, the entire S25 series is speculated to be powered by the future-proof Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, promising unparalleled speed, efficiency, and multitasking capabilities. With larger and brighter displays, thinner and lighter designs, and upgraded specifications, the S25 series is poised to redefine the smartphone landscape. As the launch date approaches, anticipation builds, and enthusiasts eagerly await the unveiling of Samsung's latest masterpiece, revival of the Note series. The S25 Ultra's potential rebranding as the S25 Note represents a bold fusion of two esteemed lineages, blending the Ultra series' cutting-edge innovations with the Note series' revered legacy of productivity and performance. This strategic merging of identities would give rise to a true powerhouse device, showcasing the perfect synergy of advanced features and time-honored functionality. The S25 Note would proudly boast top-tier performance, courtesy of its ultra-premium processor and generous RAM allocation, ensuring seamless multitasking and effortless execution of demanding tasks. Furthermore, its expansive display would provide an immersive canvas for productivity and entertainment, while advanced features like enhanced stylus support and intuitive software optimizations would solidify its position as the ultimate productivity powerhouse. Exclusive Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. The first time, the entire S25 series will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, delivering lightning-fast speeds, effortless multitasking, and efficient battery life. Larger and brighter displays. The S25 Ultra will feature a larger 6.86-inch display, while all models will enjoy improved brightness and color accuracy thanks to Samsung's M14 OLED and dynamic AMOLED panel technology. Thinner and lighter design. Despite the larger display, the S25 Ultra is expected to be thinner and lighter than its predecessor. Upgraded specifications. All models will boast impressive specifications, including improved brightness and color accuracy, 120Hz refresh rates, HDR10+ support, Gorilla Glass protection, various connectivity options, camera and battery upgrades. Samsung Galaxy S25 series will boast impressive camera and battery configurations, tailored to meet the diverse needs of users. The flagship S25 Ultra will be equipped with a quad rear camera setup, comprising advanced sensors and lenses, to deliver unparalleled image quality, flexibility, and creativity. Additionally, its robust 5,000 mAh battery will provide extended usage times, ensuring uninterrupted productivity and entertainment. In contrast, the S25 and S25 Plus will feature triple rear camera setups, still offering exceptional photography capabilities, albeit with slightly more compact configurations. The S25 will be powered by a 4,100 mAh battery, while the S25 Plus will boast a 4,900 mAh battery, striking a balance between slim designs and reliable battery life. These thoughtful configurations will enable users to choose the ideal device that suits their unique preferences and requirements. Advanced AI features. Samsung's collaboration with Google will bring advanced AI features to the S25 series, including enhanced camera capabilities, personalized assistance, and intuitive interfaces. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is poised to revolutionize the smartphone industry with its groundbreaking features and innovations. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to experience the future of smartphones.